National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for South Central Yell County in central Arkansas, extreme southwestern Perry County in central Arkansas, Garland County in central Arkansas, eastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, west central Hot Spring County in southwest Arkansas until 7:15 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 5 miles southwest of Gap Creek Recreation Area, or 9 miles southeast of Mount Ida. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Piney, Rockwell, Lake Washita, Hot Springs, Mountain Pine, Myers, Green Landing Recreation Area, Lake Washita State Park, Jesseville, Hot Springs and ATL Park, Hot Springs Memphis, Gap Creek Recreation Area, Sunshine, Silver, Royal, Piercy, Mountain Valley. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has extended the